Yeah. It's nice there right now, man.
4.
It is pretty nice here.
2, 1.
Engine's gonna die.
Yeah,
It's in a puddle.
There's one dying in.
Good grip.
I'm trying to make it between you guys.
Don't die to Bellows.
My MD sucks.
It's a repo or something.
Tranking next.
AoE stuns.
Don't die,
Watch
guys.
bombs, watch rupture.
Security guard on me. In range one.
Can see
Nice
again.
and clean.
I'm running.
Oh, I did it. Sorry.
Did you debuff it?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Kill triangle.
There you go, AIDS.
Cool. Who's triangle on? UB.
Oh, sorry.
Fucking diamond's a little. Get Blue's diamond on. Enforcers, pull him out. Please, for the love of God, thank you. Kill Scott.
It's good. Going into purple.
Can Jace next?
Follow, let's get out.
Firecrackers are on
I
me.
forgot I had it.
On him, can't.
I've already popped mine.
Alright, get him back in,
Right.
Enforcers.
Let me know when you're done, Hopper.
Yeah.
Grip him in or something? No? Okay.
It's fine. I interrupted it. Here, kill Skull. Kill Foreman.
Foreman.
On Foreman, move over to orange.
Alright, I'll DH the next one.
Okay.
It's on battery. Follows out. Kill fire callers, kill Foreman, kill triangle. Please pay better attention to volatiles, guys. If you get them, run out, spout. Watch for other people, don't kill each other. Use personals to mitigate damage. Kill the primal. Where's the other thing? Get him in here.
Just came back up.
Can I get imp, please?
Yep.
After this. Okay, so
Kill fire callers, stun fire callers, volatiles out.
Volatile in the elemental. Careful.
I got next to you.
4 up now.
Move over to purple.
You want it, Ken?
Yep.
I'm gonna help you
I also
too.
started living
Until
behind
this
them.
comes down.
Focus the low guards when you start.
Triangle's up. Kill triangle. Fire colors. Kill fire colors and triangle.
I got. Okay.
Somebody.
Have
Where
you
did triangle
revival jet
go?
details?
I had volatile, I got out.
Rizard,
What?
you have to.
Interrupt it.
Yeah, I'll get next.
It's good.
It's there, it's there. Just in time.
Kill the fire colors.
Alright, I'll trank next.
Skull, actually.
It's okay. We're cleaving, and it's gonna be okay. Volatile's out.
I want to fixate on me. I'm moving out.
Get diamond back in. I need pinch.
Okay.
There's new fire color. Kill X.
He's also killing here.
I have rally whenever, dude.
Yeah, mine's up for next 2.
Who's up, please?
Coming back.
Punjab,
in. I had
can you
volatile
stop?
fire. Coming
Didn't
back.
you just say? Good God.
Calm down, he didn't write the strat or
Let's
anything.
go.
He doesn't know
Let's
what's
go.
going on.
Volatile's out. There's fire collars that just spawned. We need to kill them. Kill these fire collars. X.
Alright, I'm leaving.
Well, who's triangle? Oh, it's on me. It's on me. Volatile's on me. Look out.
You can rally
I'm
here.
just blocking it off. I'm blocking it off. Be ready.
Aids can
Be
reach
ready to
aids.
lust.
Okay, you're good.
Here we go. Here comes lust, boys. Let's go.
AG punch.
Do you wing
Volatile.
next?
Keep an eye on aids.
Roar, Fox.
The guards.
Move everything back. Kill guards. Kill guards. Kill fire collars.
Put on guards while the boss spawn. I got the boss.
Pay attention to melt.
Molotov. Use potions and personals here. Don't
I
die.
got wings up for like the next.
Take a mate.
I got
Alright,
the edge up now. Do you want it?
I
Still have one guard up.
There's a flame call in the back.
Take a mate.
Fire
Kill this fire collar in the back. Yeah, skull.
Can
Follow
you use
us.
a
Get out.
personal?
Melt's on me back here. Move, guys. Move, guys.
Put him out. It's off flags now.
Melt's on me.
Interrupt flags if you can. Throw your interrupts on anyone that you can see burning. Stay a little spread
just
out, but
Jeff.
stay in heals.
Melt, watch
Wait
your
for the
head.
tanks to call for the
Someone
cooldown.
sitting in melee with the fucking focus. To the
Not
side.
I.
Can I get vid rage?
Potion, okay.
You
Nice
got
try.
it.
It's all yours, H.
I have to sit there to heal, otherwise I'm like, do no heal you.
Watch that
Let me know
melt.
when you want to
Look out
smoke
for
bomb.
H says the boss right now.
Just move
Call
him,
it.
move him.
You need to
You gotta
move
move him. You gotta move him.
And try
Roar,
next.
move.
Yeah, I'm tranking next one.
What the fuck?
Where's Aids? You ran into the fire.
Rebuff.
Gotta move again.
Look out for the fire.
I got fixate on me.
Sack
Me in 5.
Let them know
I'm
if
gonna
one
aim
you
for
got
you in V, Zam.
want a fox.
What's up?
That melt is horrendous.
Watch him out.
Punchy.
Keep moving.
Get out of the
I got the
mount,
boss.
move fast.
Move him, move him, move him. Keep moving. We got plenty of room.
Take a
Just keep
paint
moving.
substring.
Oh god damn
Alright,
it.
stop.
I don't
I
know.
got for you go.
Okay. Okay, yeah, sack.
I have a sack up.
Yep.
Can we just rally off CD?
Yeah.
It's all yours, H.
Keep moving up.
Heal Aids, heal Aids.
Get Gates up.
No, I suck.
Move.
Look out for melt. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Any cooldown, keep yourself up.
We don't have any extras right now, so
Keep moving.
I got the ball.
Spread out, guys. Use personal. Use potion. Solar beam on all those ads.
You don't have any externals left.
Let's use all cooldowns you have. No matter what it is.
Melt on me back.
Can I get armor purple?
Please tick combustion. Oh dear God.